Hello, my friends from YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to default reset your PC or computer BIOS. Okay. I have this tower right here, and sometimes it doesn't work well because I think the BIOS is not set up as default. So I want to let you know. So let's how to do it. So let's turn it on. Turn it on and right away in the keyboard escape really fast. Okay, you see we got this screen, and from here we need to go to the BIOS page right here, computers setup F10. Okay, that's to go to BIOS. Okay, so we go with the arrow key, the keyboard, F10. Okay, enter in the keyboard, enter. Okay, and we are right here in BIOS. So from here, for some reason this computer it doesn't work well, because the BIOS is not applied by default. So to let's say you come here and change something. Let's say you change something in BIOS, and then you want to reverse BIOS as was before. So here is where you need to come. So just go here where it say apply defaults and exit. You choose that one, go in the keyboard, enter, and then you get this message, apply defaults and exit. Are you sure you want to set defaults and exit? So make sure this one is highlighted black, and then press enter in the keyboard. Okay, and now the computer should start without any problems. Oops. I'm doing this because sometimes when I turn it on the PC, I got different message there that about the USB. I think long time ago I choose this PC to boot up from USB, and I never change it back. So that's why it's doing that. But right now you see it's gonna start right away. But this computer has some, I don't know why it's saying that that is fixing the hard drive, repairing. But there's nothing wrong with this hard drive. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and that's the way you default reset your PC BIOS. Thank you. Have a great day. Please check my other videos, subscribe, and give me a like. Thank you.